Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of tiny tech and smart woodworking project ideas for modern homes decor or income generation. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In today's rapidly shifting landscape of design, technology, and sustainability, the significance of tiny tech, big wood, smart projects for modern homes cannot be overstated, particularly when viewed through the lens of modern woodworking revenue and practicality. What once may have been dismissed as small-scale experiments or hobbyist tinkering has now matured into a powerful trend that unites the warmth of handcrafted wooden artistry with the convenience of modern technological integration. At its heart, the fusion of wood and tech is not just about novelty or aesthetics. It's about functionality, lifestyle adaptation, and creating opportunities for makers to meet evolving consumer demands while building sustainable income streams. In modern homes, where space is often limited and the desire for multifunctional, eco-conscious products continues to rise, the practicality of these hybrid wooden projects comes into sharper focus. By embedding small but impactful pieces of technology, whether it be wireless charging docks seamlessly built into a wooden nightstand, Bluetooth-enabled wooden speakers that merge natural acoustics with digital clarity, or modular wooden lamp systems enhanced by smart light integration, woodworkers are not only reimagining the potential of their craft, but also carving out a place in a market that is hungry for solutions that feel grounded yet innovative. The beauty of this shift is that woodworking is no longer confined to rustic or traditional aesthetics. Instead, it is adapting to the fast-paced rhythm of urban living, appealing to homeowners who want simplicity, sustainability, and style wrapped in one thoughtful design. For woodworkers, this marriage of practicality and innovation carries profound financial implications. Modern consumers are willing to pay premium prices for goods that don't just serve as decorations but perform dual functions while still evoking authenticity and craft. A sleek, hand-sanded wooden phone stand that doubles as a wireless charger speaks to this ethos. It is small enough to be mass-produced in modest workshops, practical enough to appeal to a wide customer base, and distinctive enough to differentiate from generic plastic or metal alternatives in the marketplace. By focusing on these tiny tech integrations, woodworkers can build revenue streams that rely on volume, niche appeal, and repeat purchases, creating a business model that balances artistry with entrepreneurship. What's particularly significant is that these projects don't require massive capital investments or years of advanced technical expertise. Rather, they demand a mindset shift where wood is seen not only as a medium of tradition, but also as a vessel for modern-day innovation. In this sense, the practicality lies not just in the utility of the end product, but also in the accessibility for makers themselves. Projects are achievable, marketable, and scalable, offering a direct path from workshop to marketplace. The importance of tiny tech, big wood also resonates on a cultural and emotional level, enhancing its significance in the broader woodworking landscape. In an era where so much of our interaction with objects is impersonal, digital, and mass-produced, consumers crave items that carry a tactile sense of humanity while still fitting seamlessly into their digitally driven lives. Wooden projects infused with smart features provide that balance. They are functional tools, but also conversation starters, each piece showcasing the natural grains, imperfections, and stories of the timber it came from. A wooden lamp with integrated smart bulbs, for instance, doesn't just light a room, it radiates a sense of warmth, grounding modern tech in the timeless soul of handcrafted artistry. This duality gives woodworkers an edge over purely tech-driven competitors because the emotional resonance of wood cannot be replicated by synthetic materials. People don't gather around plastic Bluetooth speakers with admiration for their material beauty, but a handcrafted wooden speaker can command both aesthetic appreciation and technical performance. This authenticity is a core driver of consumer loyalty and willingness to invest in higher value pieces, which translates directly into sustainable revenue for makers. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. From a business standpoint, the practicality of these projects lies in their adaptability to various scales of production and markets. A solo woodworker in a small studio can handcraft a series of bespoke smart decor pieces for boutique shops or online marketplaces, emphasizing uniqueness and personal branding. Conversely, larger workshops or collectives can scale up production of standardized designs like wooden docking stations or modular wall organizers with embedded tech features, tapping into the rising demand for sustainable, tech-integrated home goods. Because these items cater to both lifestyle and necessity, they occupy a strong market position across demographics, appealing to young professionals seeking stylish functionality in small apartments, families prioritizing eco-friendly living, and tech enthusiasts looking for design-forward alternatives to sterile plastic gadgets. This adaptability ensures that tiny tech, big wood, is not just a passing fad, but a sustainable niche with potential for long-term growth. Another crucial dimension of its significance is the way these projects empower woodworkers to embrace sustainability, a factor that today's consumers increasingly prioritize. Incorporating tech into wooden designs doesn't require rare or exotic resources. Many projects can be realized using reclaimed wood, offcuts, or locally sourced materials, ensuring not only ecological responsibility but also cost-effectiveness in production. When consumers purchase such items, they're not just buying a gadget. They're supporting a narrative of eco-conscious living where technology and nature coexist harmoniously. This alignment with sustainability trends boosts the marketability of these products, further strengthening their revenue potential for makers. In fact, the more woodworkers lean into storytelling, highlighting the origin of the wood, the craft process, and the blend of natural and digital, the more compelling their offerings become in an era where authenticity sells. Ultimately, the practicality and significance of tiny tech, big wood, extend beyond the immediate products themselves, reshaping the perception of what modern woodworking can achieve. It proves that woodworking does not have to exist in a silo of nostalgia or as an artisanal luxury for a select few. Instead, it can actively participate in shaping the future of how we live, blending into everyday life through practical yet soulful innovations. For makers, this means that revenue opportunities are no longer tied solely to large, labor-intensive furniture pieces or traditional decor, but can also flourish through small-scale, high-value items that integrate seamlessly into the modern home. For consumers, it offers a chance to bring more meaning and authenticity into their tech-saturated environments, surrounding themselves with objects that feel both useful and deeply human. In essence, tiny tech, big wood, smart projects for modern homes symbolizes the next evolution of woodworking, where practicality meets creativity, where sustainability complements innovation, and where artistry drives revenue in meaningful, future-oriented ways. Its significance is not confined to its cleverness or novelty. It lies in the transformative potential to redefine woodworking as a modern practice that embraces both tradition and progress. By capitalizing on this trend, woodworkers stand to create not just beautiful products, but lasting businesses rooted in authenticity, utility, and sustainable growth, showing that even the smallest wooden projects can leave the biggest impact in today's world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked tiny tech and smart woodworking project ideas for modern homes, decor, or income generation. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.